Okay, so I'm going to mix this weekend, and right now we're gonna do a little birthday party for my sister in Mex. So that's why I look like this. And I need to take off my rollers, and I need to hurry. So I'm pouring my coffee, and my little sister wants to leave already. Okay, so I'm putting my non-dairy creamer almond milk, my favorite creamer of all time. Okay, now let me mix it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna make cold foam really fast. I already poured it in. This kind of takes a while to froth up. But look, I put lashes on. How do they look? I feel like they lift my eyes. Like they look like cat eyes. You know? So what are you guys gonna do this weekend? Let me know what you guys are gonna do. I wanna know. I need to hurry because I need to take off my rollers still. Okay, I think that's good. Pour it. More caramel, obviously. Can someone put my maleta in the car? Okay. Now I have my to-go cup. Ooh. And my to-go straw. No! Look how cute. Starbucks who? Starbucks who? I actually want a Starbucks. But yeah, have your coffee today. I'm gonna go take off my rollers now. Love you.